Hello everyone, what's up? I'm Montserrat and you're welcome back to Orange Studios. In today's tutorial, we're going to do something very simple. We are going to focus on trying to do something around black and white, and then we add a touch of red to it. A simple flyer that should work for basically any and every event. Let's jump in. So as usual, first of all, we just have to create a new document, and to do that, we can either use the shortcut key Ctrl+N, or we move over to File, Create New. Then a new document pops out. We want to do something around perfect square. So once again, we are going to stick to 4 inches by 4 inch. We can actually do any size so far as we repeat the same height, the same thing as we did for the height and with the width. So once it's 5 by 5, 10 by 10, it works. So let's jump in. RGB 300 pixels per inch is okay. First thing, let's draw a shape over our canvas area, and because we are doing something black and white, the shape should be black. The next thing we are going to do is to drop in our image. So I had this and this to work with, but I think we can work with this instead. Straight away, let's move over to image. We want to change this and make it black and white. So let's go to image, adjustments, and black and white. It's that simple. Nothing much to be done. If you want to play around with things, you can just play around the options we have here and settle one you want. Let's just go for default. Alright, so now let's add our text, and the word I saw on a flyer somewhere that I want to break down with you is broken. So it's simple. So broken, I want to make it bro and king. So let's go for this font, Metronic slab, and then we are going for black. Let's change from black to white as in font color, and increase the size. Let's duplicate this. And drop it. The next word is a session, so broken session. Alright, so let's move on. Let's maintain the metro slab, Metronic slab, and then increase the size. Okay, so now let's add another element to it. Let's add this element to it. Alright, so now let's use Ctrl+T to bring our transformation and reduce the size. Let's move it up here. Let's apply a color overlay, and guess what color we are going to use? White. Let's further reduce it and make it a little more smaller. There's another element we can add to it, and it's this one. If you have another info to add, we add, and then here we can say join us. Let's use Open Sans. Let's group this and call it title. We drag another one, another icon, and add it. First of all, let's try and make this white. So what we can do is to draw a shape over this, and then clip max it to the icon, change the color of the shape to white. There you go. Let's take the two and unite them. So Ctrl+E, merge it, And now we can reduce the size by activating Ctrl T to bring out the transform tools. Let's see. Let's make the color of this shape red. And then take this further down. Let's align it to center. That's fine. Let's even align this as well. Okay, so now that we've aligned this and that, we are almost done. We are left with one more thing to do. Or let's say, should I say, just a little to do, and we are done. Okay, so now let's add date and time to it. Press on Shift to have a uniform transformation. Let's change this to red. Duplicate it and move it to the side. Let's do something for this. Let's change the fill to no fill and stroke to color. And then increase the size of the stroke. Great. So we move this here instead. Let's group this and call it date and time. And let's just add the name of the ministry and we are done. So let's see. Let's use this font, Xtreem. So that's the logo of the ministry. There's a quick one. Yes, so there we have it. You can choose to add a name, which may not be necessary in this case. So there we have it. We are done. Okay, so there we go. This brings us to the end of today's tutorial. I hope it was very helpful. If it was, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are not already subscribed to this channel. And if you have any question, kindly leave that in the comment section and I'll respond. Have a good time.